Hello everyone, welcome to TechOrbit channel. Mm, this channel is all about the educational content. So here you will going to study all about the data science. So I am not going to just jump into data science. I will explain step by step what is will be the first step to become a data scientist. So uh, like this is just a orientation video about what I am going to tell you a upcoming series, what tools and technologies I am going to tell you. So basically, so first first series it's going to be a data analyst series, how to become a data analyst, because nobody can become directly data scientist. First he have to become a data analyst, he have to gain experience in data analyst, because the data analyst is the first step to become a data scientist. So everything, all the step, suppose data analyst you are doing till visualization. So in data scientist you have to do visualization till visualization, and you have to predict also. So data analyst, uh, we can say data analyst is a part of the data scientist. The data analyst is a small part of a data scientist. So this is just a orientation video. So here just I am going to tell you what I am going to upload in upcoming series, and how many tools and technology I am going to teach you in this series. So first I will tell you what is this, and why we are learning, why we are going to learn this, what is the purpose of this. And in upcoming time or currently time, it's I think the data science is a more popular job, more everyone want to take this job, but for that you need knowledge. So whatever the content you need for becoming a data analyst, all the content I'm going to provide truly free. Okay, so like uh, now I'm going to tell you what is data analyst. Okay, what is data analyst, why we are, why we need this in this industry. So basically data analyst is nothing. Just suppose you have some data, some raw data, some excel data in row and column format, some csv format, and the company wants the company wants like you have to explain to company about the data, what is going on in this company with data. So you cannot explain with this raw data with row and column. You need something to come, you can explain to business very easily. Okay, so this is all about the data scientists. When we are going to explain about data output, that is our data analyst. Means you are converting this raw data in a meaningful content, meaningful visualization. That is basically a data analyst. So you are not going to just suppose you have mm, suppose you have this table. Okay, suppose you have this table. Uh, okay, you have some data here, here. Okay, you have this data. So if you want to explain to this company, so you are converting this data visualization, using visualization. You created some chart using power bi. There is a lots of visualization application. Okay, so you just choose power bi and you converted it. But before converting this, you need to clean this data. You need to clean this data. So for cleaning this data, there's a lots of tools and technology, lots of things. Okay, so some of the company, if I'm going to tell you, some of the company, there is a lots of tool. Some of the company is using only power bi, some of the company is using python, some of the company is using sql, some of the company using excel also. Okay, so You will think, okay, I will learn only Power BI and I will become a data analyst. No, you are not going to apply only those company who is using that Power BI. You cannot only write in your resume, okay, I'm no Power BI, I can do visualization. Now I can take a data analyst job. For that, you need to learn every tools and technology whatever you can use in the data visualization, data analyst, data analytics. Okay, means data analyst is not data analyst is not only do the visualization. Data analyst means you have raw data, you have to study raw data, and you have to you have to clean the data and finding useful information that helps to the company for a better decision. That is our data analyst job. Okay, so what people is thinking, okay, if we can do visualization with the Power BI, we can take decisions with Power BI, then why we need to learn Python, why we need to learn SQL, why we need to learn Excel? You are not going to apply only those company who is using Power BI, you are going to apply on those company also who is using Python, everything. Maybe or some of the company using lots of tool. Okay, so you are going, so in this in my series I'm going to first I will teach you Excel. First I will teach you Excel. Using Excel, how we can do analysis. I know this is a old this is a I know this is a old method, but some of the company also using. Then second we are going to we will learn SQL. In third, then we will going to learn Python. Using Python, we will learn how we can clean the data, how we can do visualization, everything. Same, same. Whatever we are learning using Excel, we will use using Python. We will also learn. Then fourth, we will use Power BI with Power Query Editor. You know na that Power Query Editor is the part of that Power BI. Power BI where we are doing a visualization, Power Query Editor where we will do cleaning. Okay, so these four the basic phase of becoming a data analyst. First, what? Excel. Then second, what? The big the SQL using uh, MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench. We are going to use this tool. Okay. Then in third number we are going to use we will learn about Python with libraries, lots of libraries. There's a Python, just a language. Python is nothing without its libraries. There's a lots of libraries we are going to use. Okay, so we are going to use tool here. We will use Jupyter. Jupyter we will use. Okay, Jupyter Lab. Then fourth we will learn the subject that is a Power BI. Okay, that is a basic to becoming a data analyst. Fifth, more useful, means without that you cannot become a data analyst, which is a communication. Not communication, good communication. Good, best, best communication you need. Because suppose suppose you become, you know all the formulas, all everything you know. You created chart also, you created visualization also, you are good in math, you did good, you created chart, everything you created, You created chart here, and you created pie chart. You created your visualization chart, whatever the problem company gave you. But if you don't know the communication, if you don't know the you don't have good communication. Suppose you don't have good communication, so you will fail. You will fail. There is a two-person. Suppose there is a two-person. Suppose this is one and this is second. Okay, this is one. This is second. He knows all the formulas, good in math, everything. He is doing good everything, but he have good communication. Less math doing. He is also doing visualization, but he have good communication also. But he don't have communication, good communication. Okay, so he will be select. He will not select because in whatever you are doing visualization, whatever you are doing analysis, you have to explain to business. You have to explain the business. For that you need a good communication. Okay, so if you want to become a data analyst, you want to become a data analyst. Okay, so start start your communication practice. Okay, communication practice. Communication, like, English is not a like a language, like a subject. English is not a subject. English is a language like Hindi. Okay, Hindi, Hindi is not like a you have to ratta mar. Same like not English like a ratta mar. You need to communicate. For learning Hindi, you do communication, no? So for English also you have to do communication. Found meaningful content, like there is a lots of AI tool. Talk them. If you cannot talk with people, there is a lots of AI tool. Talk with them. Share your daily routine in evening with that chat GPT. Okay, I did this, and tell chat GPT, okay, if anywhere my sentence is wrong, to correct me. Okay, so that AI, that AI, because AI can't judge. AI will not judge. In front of AI you cannot embarrass, but I think in front of people you can embarrass. Some of the introvert people can embarrass. Okay, how I can communicate, my communication is not good. But with AI you can do daily. Not I'm saying daily, just 30 minutes. 30 minutes, just take AI, chat GPT, and just communicate with that chat GPT. That's enough. Because becoming a data analyst, you need a good communication. Okay. Storytelling. The fifth part is a storytelling. Okay. After visualization, after visualization, next part is a storytelling. How you are going to explain your visualization. How you are going to give an answer to your business unit. So that. So that is all about the whatever I am going to start in upcoming time. That is all about that. Just connect with this channel and connect with connect with this channel and stay tuned with this channel, so you can learn this free content to becoming a data. You don't need to buy any content from anywhere. Here I will tell you step by step. Here I will tell you step by step everything. Okay, so don't waste your money. I have lots of content. I will provide you all with free. I will I think next weekend, from next weekend I am going to start Excel. Okay, so join with this channel name, as you can know, TechOrbit. Okay, where you are going to learn new technologies, everything. Okay, so I am going to upload all the content freely available. I will give a practice content also, practice set, everything. I will tell you how we are going to use everything. Okay, so bye bye and practice and start practice your communication. Start practice communication with ChatGPT. Okay, not with people but with ChatGPT. If some of have a good communication, very good, start more exploring more business word. Okay, like more business word, like we can say more used highly using word, which is we can use like more professional word we can. So explore that. Whose communication is not good, start communication. Okay, start from today. Just start, just 30 minutes of day give with chat gpt and communicate with that. Okay. Okay, so bye bye. We will meet you soon and we will start our course. Okay.